Welcome to Taste of Veggie. Let's make easy, lazy weeknight meals. This is for all my US subscribers. We are going to use ingredients from Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's exists in 48 states, about 600 plus locations. If you do not have a Trader Joe's close by, I will share the link to Amazon in the description below. Let's make the soup today. Let's start a timer. Crunchy chili onion from Trader Joe's. Mix it. We are just going to use this oil. There is no more oil added to it. 1 full spoon and a bit of this oil. Green onions, crushed garlic. I'm adding 3 to 4 here, actually 4. You can put fresh garlic, but I'm using this one for a quick and easy meal. Crushed ginger, 2 of them. Fry for a couple of minutes until the raw smell goes away. Now add the Trader Joe's stir fry veggie blend. I'm only adding half a bag. This is optional. I bought this organic brown beach mushrooms. It comes like a floret. It comes like this floret. I'm just going to take it out and just tear it with my hands. Soya ghee, half a cup. Shake well before you add. It's about 5.5 minutes from the time we started. Now I am adding the miso ginger broth. I added about 3/4 of the carton. Now close it with the lid and let it cook for a couple of minutes. It's about 6.5 minutes. Let's come back at 8. It's about 8 minutes. Now let's add the vegetable dumpling. I'm adding the whole bag. This is completely optional. Instead of adding noodles to the soup, I am adding tofu in a thin strips. Now close it with the lid. Keep the stove in medium low and let's cook it for 5 minutes. It's about 15 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's open it. Most of the vegetables would be cooked by now. All we need to check is the dumplings to make sure they are cooked properly. Now I'm fishing for dumplings more. Yeah, they are cooked, they're kind of opening up. You can switch off the flame. The soup is ready to serve. Under 16 minutes our meal is ready. Let's serve the soup now. A bit of everything. Top it up with the chili and a bit of green onions. Warm soup is ready.